right, let's look at the attributes of a cone. We're going to start with our vertices like we did with all our other three-dimensional shapes. And notice that it comes to a point here just like when we looked at our triangular pyramid and our square pyramid. So it has one vertex that we're going to call the apex. Remember that apex is when they come to a point at the top. So that's one vertex, or also known as an apex. Okay? When we go to count our edges, I don't have any edges here, so this actually has 0 edges. When I look at the cone, I notice that I don't have any polygons. Remember, in order to be a face, it has to be a polygon, so I have 0 faces. But the base is a flat surface that the object rests on. And here, you can see that I have one flat surface down here. So I have one circle base, because to be a base, it doesn't have to be a polygon. To be a face, it has to be a polygon. So this circle down here cannot be counted as a face since it's a circle and circles are not polygons, but it can be counted as a base since it is the flat surface that it rests on. Okay, let's fill out our table. Our cone down here, I'm at the bottom. Our cone has one circle base. It has 0 faces, one vertex, remember we called it an apex, and 0 edges. I can think of one delicious real-life example of a cone. I would like you to come up with one maybe around your house. If you can't find one around your house, you can always search the internet. I can't wait to see your real-life examples.